Okay, guys, we're right back into this video. We're going to talk about how I'm going to actually give you guys some free banners. Okay, we're going to talk about how to download these banners when I give them to you. We're going to talk about how to redirect these banners, and we're going to talk about how you guys can get instant access to them right now. And so we're going to jump right into it. Now, guys, I have to tell you guys, I have to be honest, I'm somewhat of a storyteller. So I'm going to tell you guys a little story about a story that my brother told me. Now, as the story goes, my brother is driving down the street one day in Washington, D.C. This is where we're from. And a cop pulls him over. When the cop pulls him over, he asks, my brother asked, why did he pull him over? And the cop actually informed my brother that he, in fact, ran through a stop sign. He just rolled right through the stop sign, according to the officer. And so when the officer asked my brother, why is it he did not stop at the traffic stop sign, my brother told him because he doesn't believe everything it is he reads. Believe it or not. This is a true story, allegedly. My brother told the cop he doesn't believe everything he reads, so that's why he didn't stop at the stop sign. I can tell you, though, he believed the ticket that they wrote him because it was over $400 when he tried to get smart. I just thought I'd tell you that because, guys, you may not believe everything that you read, but you can believe this. When you have your own business, if you're able to generate traffic and leads every single day, then the chances of you being more successful, right, are going to grow because traffic and lead generation and list building is a numbers game. The more traffic you can generate, the more leads you can generate. The more leads you can generate, obviously, guys, the more sales and conversions you can have in your business. Okay, so you can believe that if you can generate traffic and leads every single day, you should see an uptick in your traffic, your leads, and your conversions inside of your business. And remember, we're selling the hottest commodity on the World Wide Web: traffic, lead, generation, strategies, techniques, tactics, resources. So you're in a great space. So let's talk about this video and how you guys can go and download these videos right now. So I'm going to click here because you have instant access to them. Let's click there and go over to the actual page where I'm going to give you guys these free banners. Okay, now, if you haven't subscribed to me on YouTube, guys, go ahead on and do it because I do updates all the time. You can find them inside of the members area in the Big Bennett Ads Marketing Strategy, but you can also find them when I upload them on YouTube. Now, we're talking about the Big Bennett Ads Marketing Strategy, right? This is the technique. This is that strategy that we're going to use. We're building our list around list building. Why? Because every single person that's in any type of business of any kind needs more traffic and leads, right? What does that mean? That means the world is your oyster, right? You can go out here and market and promote to anybody because absolutely anybody and everybody who has a business is looking for more traffic. So when we talk about the Big Bennett Ads marketing strategy, the very first thing we're going to do is start placing these banners. This particular one happens to be a 325 by 250, but if you look down here, guys, I got all types of other banners, and I'm going to be adding them all the time. Different sizes that you now have instant access to, and you can use at your leisure. Now, let's talk about how to download these banners onto your desktop, onto your hard drive. So what we're going to do, guys, is step one is we're going to right-click the banner, okay? We're going to right-click on the banner. When you guys see this, you will not be able to right click. You can right click on the banner, but it won't redirect like it's going to do in my instance. I set this up so it redirects, which is, I'm going to show you guys that in a second. But when you right click, it won't do anything. Let's see. Yeah, okay. Well, you can right click. I can actually do it. I didn't click it hard enough, but I'll show you in a second where I'm going to redirect this banner to. So when you right click on the banner, you'll get this drop down. When you do, you want to move down to Save Image Ads, okay? Save Image Ads, and then you're going to name that file on your computer. So I'm going to click Save Image Ad. Look to the left, you'll see a little box. It's going to actually populate in a few seconds if my slow computer ever decides to wake up, and there it goes. And then you get to name that image on your desktop. And in the last video, my computer was moving slow, and I think it's moving even slower right now. So let's just name that image. I just named the image, right? Name that image. Click Save. Look to the left. You'll see the drop down. There it goes. This banner is now on my desktop and on my hard drive. You can actually download all of these banners and do the same thing so that you're ready to use them as we move forward in the strategy to start placing banners of different sizes. I'm also going to put a banner resizer down here somewhere if I don't already have it. And so you guys will be able to resize your banners as well. There it goes right there. Got a free resize where you get to actually resize any type of banner. I'm going to have a video on YouTube or in the members area that's going to walk you guys through that process. But anyway, now that you know, and now that you have instant access to these banners, and now that you know how to download these banners onto your computer, on your desktop, let's click the banner, guys, because now I'm going to show you how they work. Because when you connected this banner, reconnected this banner to where you want it to go, right? Then it's going to go preferably to where, guys? To your lead capture page, right? We want to extract leads from these platforms. So let's click. And come on, let's go. Okay, there we go, guys. Very simple. I took a simple banner and redirected it to where? My big banner ads capture page, because this is the banner that I'm using to redirect to my big banner ads traffic capture page. Why? Because everybody and their mom is looking for traffic, right? And when we get into these banner ads, when we get into these login ads, this is the first thing that people are going to see when we go into those login ads. This is what people are going to see when we redirect that banner. And the only reason they're going to opt in is because they are looking for more traffic, right? They're interested in knowing how to get more traffic, right? And so that's what we're going to be providing them with this training. That's what we're going to be providing them as we start building our list. And this is how we're going to get the clock ticking, guys. This is how we're going to start building our own list. So guys, go on and feel free, click the link. Let me see, can I get back to that page if I can, back to the members area. Click the link right below that video, guys, and you will be able to actually download those banners. I'll meet you guys in the next video where we're going to take you guys over to the resource and place our very first banner ad. I'll see you guys in that video.